Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall apps from your Shopify store in just a few seconds. So this is very easy. As you can see, I have this app installed right now, which is called InstaFeed. And in my case, I don't want to use it anymore, so I'm going to uninstall it. I will always recommend you to uninstall any application that you don't use because it's much more comfortable to only have a few applications and the essential ones you are using. So to uninstall it, you just need to click the application you want to remove and then go to the top right, click these three dots, and you will see the uninstall button. You can choose a reason if you want, but it's optional, so I'm just gonna uninstall it. And now, as you can see, I have uninstalled this application, and you can see the list of the applications you have removed right here, and you can install it back again if you want. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.